Here, I welcome to all my dear students. Myself, Dr.J.K.Sali. In the last lecture, we had seen the process of organizing. Today, we are going to learn principles of organization. So, let's start with the topic of principle of organizations. In this slide, now we will discuss principles of organization. Principles are the rules which are generally accepted by all. These are the guidelines, guides a manager designing an organization. There are the most common principles of organizing is here. The first is clearly define goals. The goals of the organization should be clearly defined. The employee in the organization should understand these objectives. This will enable them to the work and help the organization to achieve goals. Thereafter, next point is specialization. This principle that every employee in the organization should be asked to perform one type of function. Function should be given after considering educational background and work experience. It means that there should be a division of work and specialization in the organization. Next point is coordination. Efforts of all the individuals, departments level should be coordinated towards the common goals of organization. To achieve these, managers must try maintain coordination, various activities, and people, departments. Next point is authority. Employees should be given sufficient authority to his responsibilities. They should be clearly defined and they should be higher at the top level, decrease to the lower levels. There should be a clear authority to join all the members of the organization from the members of top to bottom. Thereafter, next point is responsibility. Responsibility of every person should be clearly. It should be transferable to others. Responsibility given to an employee should be equal to the authority given to him. Next principles of organization is span of control. Control means the maximum number of subordinates one superior can manage effectively. It should be as small as possible. Important factors with span of control depends nature of the job, ability of superior, skill of subordinates. Thereafter next point is balance. There should be a proper balance between the different levels, departments and functions of the organization. At the same time, there should be proper balance between the centralization and decentralization, as well as authority and responsibility. Next point is chain of command. Sometimes called the scalar chain. It is the formal of authority, communication and responsibility within an organization. They should be very short and there should be very few levels of management. There will be many communication problems and delays in execution of workflow. Thereafter next point is delegation. Authority and responsibility should be delegated to the lowest level of organization, that the subordinates can complete the without difficulties. Individual should be equal to his responsibility. Thereafter next point is continuity. It is a system that summarizes how certain activities directed order to achieve the goals of an organization. Activities can include the rules, roles, and responsibilities. The structure should have continuity. It means that organization should be use the structure for a long period of time. It should be able to present as well as objective of the organization. The next principles of organization is unity of direction. It implies that all the activities with same objective must have one head and one plan. This coordination of work of various employees. Thereafter, next point is flexibility. It is the capacity of organization which changes. The flexible organization has the ability with the changing circumstances. The changes of survival of flexible organization than the static one. Therefore, need for organizational flexibility. Thereafter, next point is efficiency. This implies high performances with least amount of inputs, the highest amount of output. They should be able to achieve its goal at the minimum cost. Next point is simplicity. The organizational structure should be simple. It is easily understood. Each and every employee, the position, authority, and responsibility of every employee should be clear, that there will not any confusion about these things. And the last principle of organization is exception. The top level managers have limited time. Hence, according to this principle, only important problems should be referred to these managers, and routine matters should be handled by their subordinates. So, these were the various principles of organization. Thank you.